Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Saving animals begins with you. If your neighbor can be vegan, then so can you.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You say you want to be vegan, but your parents won't let you. Well, first of all, I want you to know that I am so proud of you. Okay, I want you to write down the date today. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. This is the day that you decided you want to be vegan. This is the day it starts. No matter what else happens, as long as your mind and your heart are on the right track, you are still vegan. Even if your parents forced you to eat animals, if you really don't want to do it and you have no other choice, you're still vegan. So congratulations for going back to your roots, because you were vegan before your parents even knew what it was and they were shoving dead animals down your throat. The next thing though I want you to know is that you need to be patient with your parents. They just want to make sure that you're healthy. They don't probably know about lentils and beans and chickpeas and rice and potatoes, and all these things are just not even expensive and so good for you. So start eating healthy. Start to Google vegan recipes and teach your parents that you're serious about saving animals, and then they will follow. Love you.
Bella, Bella, I really love you. I'll never eat your friends or anyone who goes poo. Bella, Bella, I really love you. Yes, I really, really do. Ooh.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You think that I don't understand that animals taste better than humans. Okay, so how many humans have you tasted? And which parts of their body exactly have you licked and bitten into? That's what I'm curious about. I mean, personally, I've never eaten human meat, and I have no desire to. I don't want to hurt anyone. And I don't know why it is that you are even talking about this. It seems really strange. Look, I ate animals just like you did for many, many years. I'm 57 years old now, and I became vegan 6 years ago. Before that, I didn't eat animals for many years, but I was still eating cheese and I was still drinking milk, and then I changed. So stop being silly.
Check the label. Check the label. Check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label. Check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say hooray.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking about marshmallows and if they're vegan or not. And the answer is, they can be. You can get a kind of marshmallow called dandies. They come in the little small marshmallows and the little bigger ones, and they do not contain any gelatin. Unfortunately, most marshmallows on the market right now do contain gelatin, which is the skin, ligaments, and tendons of cows or pigs ground up and made into this jelly-like substance. So I don't know about you, but I don't think that my taste pleasure and my desire to have a marshmallow is worth the life of an innocent animal who didn't want to die and then was killed in front of his or her friends. You know, pigs and cows have as much right to live as we do, and we shouldn't be breeding them into existence in the first place just for the reason of killing them. That's wrong. So go vegan from now on.
You're opening your heart, you're opening your mind, you're wonderfully on your way. Soon it will be your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Hooray! Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You say that you're offended that I compare what the animals are going through to what the Jews went through in World War II, where the Nazis killed them in gas chambers. So what I invite you to do is in the comments below, let me know what you think are the differences. Here are the things that I see as the same. In both cases, innocent beings were kidnapped from their homes. They were put behind bars for having committed no crimes. They were forced into slavery. They were murdered in the end in gas chambers. And the ways that things are different is that right now, the Jews are safe from this. Everyone knows that the Holocaust was wrong. And yet, all of these same people still pay for it to continue for the animals. The Holocaust never ended for the animals, and they have as much right to be free as anyone else.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Hi, I'm responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking me if I support good furries. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not really sure what exactly a good furry is. It seems to me like it's somebody who dresses up in a costume of some kind of animal and then is good. But I'm not sure what you mean by good. Are these people vegan? Are they encouraging people to not eat animals? To not wear them? To not exploit them? Are they encouraging people to not go to places like SeaWorld, to Marineland, and to zoos? Are they encouraging people to Google vegan recipes and Google vegan athletes? Are they encouraging sanity and kindness? Or are these people just kind of crazy and just dancing around in costumes? Like, I don't really know what they're doing. But I support everyone who is vegan and trying to help animals.
Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com.
Responding to comments today, here's what you say. You say something very strange. I mean, think about how weird that is. How can you love someone and at the same time pay somebody to hurt them? It doesn't make any sense. Like, think of a situation of spousal abuse where a husband says he loves his wife, but yet he beats her. Like, that's just not love. Surely you must know that. What you're saying makes no sense. You're just suffering from cognitive dissonance where you think you're being a good person, but in fact, you're really not. You need to own up to that. I had to do the same thing. I had to look in the mirror and give myself a good, hard lecture and say, look, you know, Miss KADIE, if you want to be a good person, you can't be paying people to hurt animals, to steal from them. So I stopped eating eggs. I stopped drinking milk and eating cheese. And, you know, veganism is easy if you think about the victims. It's hard if you're selfish and you think about yourself.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You say you need a vegan morning recipe right now. Oh, geez, I wish I would have had my camera on just about like 20 minutes ago. I just finished a massive bowl of breakfast. Here's what I did. Okay, I know it's gonna probably sound crazy to you guys, and I never used to eat this before I was vegan, but this is what I eat now. I buy chia seeds, flax seeds, and I grind them up in a blender. Like about at least 2 tablespoons of each. And then you have to grind them up so that your body will absorb them. Okay, then you put them in a bowl with some almond milk. You can put some water, half and half or whatever, or, you know, it could be oat milk, any kind of plant-based milk, soy milk, whatever. I add vanilla to it. Why I love vanilla is it makes everything taste like a dessert. So I add like a big blob of vanilla, and then I add whatever fruit. I had pine. What did I have today? No, I had apples, and I had blueberries, and I had raspberries and banana.
Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive.
Responding to comments, and yours is next. You're asking, if you're vegan, are you going to die if you eat meat? Well, no, you're not going to die. Not physically anyway. But emotionally, you might die a little bit inside, psychologically, because vegans don't want to hurt animals. They don't want to eat meat. They don't want to drink the milk that was stolen from a cow or eat eggs that were stolen from chickens. So I hope that answers your question. What stops you from being vegan? What is it? How can I help you to be vegan? Do you need recipes? I mean, I've tried everything on this channel so far. I've been dancing and singing and rhyming and giving facts and logic and showing sometimes what I eat. But what do you need? How can I help you?
Vegan cheese, vegan cheese, vegan cheese is tasty. Vegan cheese, vegan cheese, vegan cheese is cruelty-free. Go to YouTube and Google dairy is scary. Stop stealing milk from baby cows. Be vegan and make the animals happy.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're wondering about other animals. If they eat animals, then why can't we? Well, we can eat them. We just choose not to because we're good people. We have a choice. We are creatures that have moral agency. That means we can decide what's right and what's wrong, whereas lions don't really have that kind of a choice. It's instinctual. Look at other animals like bison. Bison don't eat other animals. They eat plants. They get all their protein and they get huge just from eating plants. So do giraffes. And so do elephants. So look to those kinds of animals, if you really want an example, as to how to behave. Look, there's lots of terrible people on earth who rape and torture and kill and they steal. You can choose to do those things, but why would you? And you can choose to be good.